Hi, hope you guys are doing well. So today we will be looking at the multi-resolution modifier. So to look at that, I will just delete this default cube because it is not helping over here. So I'll just shift A, add in mesh, and then I'll add the monkey head. So this modifier is specifically more helpful for the sculptors rather than the modelers. So we're going to go and generate and click on the multi-resolution modifier. So it does sort of like the subgrade surface modifier, but it has some niche tools that make it better for sculpting. So you first have to go into the sculpting mode over here, and then you can just turn on the subdivision levels. Before we continue, please consider subscribing. Only 9% of you are actually subscribed. My goal is to reach 2.5k subs by the end of this year, and drop a like and a comment while you're at it. You can click on subdivide to add in one level of sculpt in render and sculpt mode, and I guess in the viewport because we're not going to be seeing it, or you can add multiple levels as well. The advanced options are, again, because it has UVs, I recommend first finishing your model, then moving on to sculpting, modeling, or whatever you want to do it. And the fun thing is that when I go into sculpt mode and I'll start just sculpting this over here, deforming it, I'll just go back into my edit mode, and you can see that it's still the basic same Suzanne monkey. Okay, it does not work, it doesn't affect the base mesh, but the problem is that it will create problems. If I now edit this mesh, it will actually start deforming my sculpting mode. If I move it like over here and then go back to sculpt mode, you can see that now it actually just broke our mesh. Just Control Z to go out over here. So to avoid this, you'll just click on sculpt base mesh as well. And now let me just go into edit mode and see, because I actually didn't do it in the first place, it still has shown the base Suzanne. So I'll just delete this one again, and then add in the monkey head again, and then add in the multi-resolution modifier again. This time I'm going to click on the sculpt base mesh option. Let me just go into the sculpt mode first so that I can click and turn on this option, and I'll just add in one level of subdivision, and I'll start just moving it about over sculpting it, this weird thing. And then if I go to edit mode, you can see that now the edited mesh is also has been altered. This is very useful because you can actually sculpt your object with very high details, and then you easily just add in the low poly version as well. You can get all those in the form of texture. You can basically get all the details from your sculpt version into your low poly version by making the maps on it. So you probably don't understand what I'm saying right now, but it is very helpful. So this is basically its feature use. So I hope you guys learned something today. Please leave a like and a comment, and you can explore these options if you want to yourself, but I recommend just using these top ones for now and then slowly moving to other options. So please comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and watch another one of my videos, as that's how the YouTube algorithm works. It's a small channel and it won't cost you anything. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.